Hello everyone, this is Lolly at Creativation in Phoenix in 2019. I'm here with my friend Connie, and she's one of my design team members, and she had this opportunity to take this class by Fawn, and I just wanted to share with you what she did. It's so cute. So this was the instructions for her class. She did 4 interactive cards. So we're going to slide over here and let her open the cards and show you how these work. So look at this. So this is a die that makes the butterfly fold out. That's really cool. I love that. Look at that. And they presented these materials to her with everything was already cut and colored. They just were learning how to assemble interactive cards. Now this is one of my favorites, being a nurse here. Watch this. This little whale, he's got the thermometer and the ice pack on his head, and then suddenly he's healthy again. Is there anything on the inside of this, Connie?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, I wasn't sure. That is so cute. I don't know what that is. What's this
called?
It's a die. It's a, yeah.
It's a die. It's really cute.
Okay, and this is like a kind of a spinner or a rotate. What do you call it? A dial? Yeah, look at that. Hope your spring is spectacular and fun-filled. That is so fun.
It opens up and then you can...
That is really cute. So there's special dies that they have for these interactive cards.
They're all dies.
This one folds flat, and then it opens up into one of those 3D, kind of a diorama almost, right?
Mm-hmm.
Love you lots. Let's look at the top over it like this. Oh, sorry for the shadow, guys. We're on the floor again in the entryway. Look at that. That is so cute.
Flat, so you can send it.
And you can put it in an envelope, and it fits into a standard, probably A2 envelope. That's cute. Yeah. So let's go in here real quick to these again. I just want to show you. That was the first one that said "Open Me," and the butterfly on the inside. Here's the little whale. I was looking to see Get Well stamps and dies. Picture changer. I think that's what it's called. An add-on. That's what I was looking for, is what is making that you can pull it out and change the whale. That is so cute. And then when we go to these classes, they give us goodies. And this is what she got for attending the class. Oh, look at the little turtle. But there's the whale, the sick whale and the healthy whale. I guess the turtle is frowning in the first one, so he could be an unhealthy turtle and a healthy turtle too.
Yeah, this one has the nurse hat. You put the nurse hat on that one. And then it says,
prescription.
Hope you get on your feet soon. Look
at this. Really cute. Get well soon.
Yeah, it's really cute.
There's the nurse hat.
And it has a little cross. You can put that on. The nurse hat.
Or and there's you could have either animal is the nurse or the patient. This birdie could be the nurse or the one with the broken arm. And there's I hope you get back on your feet again. That's for the turtle.
Yeah, you have them upside down.
And then wishing you smooth, fast recovery. This is adorable. Love Fawn, and they are just so cute. I'm trying to figure out. Sorry. Oh, this is an exclamation mark. I was trying to figure out, is that a needle or what? And there's a little bandage for someone that's sick, and another bandage. Oh, they're just so adorable. And one of the beauties of this is they didn't have to actually break out and use the stamps they were given, because everything was pre-stamped and pre-cut for them. So that was Fawn, very cute. I couldn't go because I was in a seminar for a business class that I really needed, but this was so interesting. I'm so glad she was able to go and share all this with you. Thank you so much for watching.